Hello, a good day to everybody. It's me again, the Cobra. Okay, I'm now at Ulu Sembawang Park connector. Okay, where is this place located? It's at Mandai Road. Okay, this is the main Mandai Road and it's by the side. Okay, the nearest MRT train to come here is Yishun. You need to get a Yishun and take a bus to come to this park connector. Okay, now this is the trail inside, and okay, if you see when you enter the arrival, it's actually, this is the map. I am here. This is Mandai Road. Okay, this is Mandai Road, and it goes all the way to Ulu Sembawang. Okay, and this is the trail, and this is the main road actually, and this is the reservoir. It's on the other side. If you see, the reservoir is on the other side. Okay, now no feeding of monkeys. There are monkeys here. No campfire. Do not drive your vehicle inside, your motorcycle, your car, your helicopter, so and so. Okay, now there are some rules and regulations that we need to follow. There's no poaching of animals, and this is a litter free country. Do not litter here. Do not pluck any fruits. There are some rules and regulations you need to follow. Okay, okay, I'm now walking along the trail. Now if you can see, like what we saw in MacRitchie and Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, this place has thick vegetation with nice tall trees. Okay, nice place for monitor lizards, snakes, squirrels, monkeys, wild boars. Okay, I also see some bamboos here. This is bamboo. Okay, very common in Singapore. Alright, okay, this is a thick group of bamboos here. Every time I go to this kind of forested area, I see lots of this type of bamboos, very thick. And be careful of the thorns. They have thorns at the side. It's very sharp. I got pricked before. Okay, so take care when you are in the jungle. Remember to follow your safety procedures, like what you always do when you go for hiking and trekking. Okay. Okay, I saw a group of banana trees here. Okay, it was raining just now, so it's wet and muddy. Okay, down there the other side is a reservoir. These are some banana trees. Okay, can you see the reservoir over there? Let me zoom in for you. Okay, that is the Solita Reservoir. Okay, so let's get back into the track. Now this is a tar track. You will not slip and fall if you walk. The surface is rough, no, for people who go jogging here, hiking here, and cycling here. Okay, it's nice. Okay, it's still drizzling a bit. If you can hear the sounds of the rain falling. There's another group of bamboo over there. Lots of bamboo here, and the track is going all the way in. The hiking, the route to hike. Okay, there's a track. There's a path going in. Someone must have walked here before. If people follow this path and they walk many times, from outside you'll be able to see it. They step on the grass, you know, they step on the mud, there'll be a path that is formed. Okay, if you go in, you see. Okay, it's very thick, the vegetation. If you are coming here at night, be careful. Okay, bring along your headlamp, your torchlight, or you please bring along the floodlight. If you have a floodlight, please bring along the floodlight that I showed you in my previous video, because at night this place is going to be very dark. You can't even see your own hand. Okay, here's another group of bamboos. If you see, there are some fallen bamboos here. Okay, oh, this is quite thick. People use this to build houses in some village areas. If you go, I thought I saw something running. It's a squirrel. Okay, this people use this to make furnitures, and they used to build houses, a bamboo house. If you go to some places, I've seen some bamboo house in Cambodia, Malaysia, India. This is tough and heavy. Okay, there's a shed here, a resting shed. If you feel tired along the way, you can come here and take a rest. Oh, they also got an AED. Alright, there's no smoking here. Okay. Ooh. Nowadays, everything is high-tech, so you don't need to worry. Okay, I remember seeing this place on the internet. Someone came here, took photos and posted on Facebook. Okay, I remember seeing this tree that you see here. I remember seeing this tree here, and this path going down. There's another path here. People have been here before. Okay, there's an open area here, a nice playground. If you want to bring your children here, let's say you want to come here for dog walking, cycling, even jogging, or just walking, photo shooting, like what I'm doing now. A very nice place. This is a very nice place. But if you are bringing your dogs here, okay, if you are dog walking, remember to control your dog when it sees any animals like wild boar, monkeys. Okay. Okay, let's see. Beautiful place. Okay, the Banyan Tree. The old timers believe if you come here at night, you don't come here at night, there will be spirits swinging in these roots that hang from the Banyan Tree. Okay. Even my grandmother used to tell me, don't come here at night, or don't come here at 12 o'clock noon. It's a very vulnerable time. Okay, you may get possessed by spirit. But why, until now, I didn't know why the ghosts used to come 12 noon, maybe to take lunch or what. I'm not sure, but okay, old timers, they still believe in this. The banyan tree where the spirits come to swing. Okay, remember, don't come here at night or 12 noon. No, what time is it now? Oh, okay, sorry, 2:30, so I'm safe. Okay. Okay, along the way there are more bamboos, yam. Okay, can you see some morning glory over there? That is a morning glory flower, also very common here in Southeast Asia. And I see some banana trees in front also. Oh, it's a beautiful place. Doesn't look like Singapore, a city. Alright, be careful when you go to the edge. Okay, be careful when you go to the edge here. Okay, since now it just rain finish, so the area is wet. Even when it's not wet, dry also, be careful when you're going down, and don't slip right into the thick grass over there. Okay. Remember to bring your family next time if you plan to take photographs in a forested area like this. Okay, it's beautiful, a beautiful place of nature. Okay, now I saw a banana tree. That's a small tiny banana, still in the process of growing. Okay, there's a group of bananas over there. Okay, and I saw another vegetable. Okay, I'm not sure of this name in English. I do not know the name of this in English, but in Tamil, okay, the Indians, the Tamil, they call this sundakai. Okay, it's a bitter. The taste is bitter. Okay, this is also a type of a medicine, and you can put it in curry. You can cook when you are preparing a vegetable dish, but they usually don't put too much because it is very bitter. Someone told me last time the name of this in English is called turkey berry. I have to do research on the internet to find out the actual name for this in English. Turkey, Turkey berry. It comes with small nice flowers. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so let's continue our journey. I can hear the sounds of parrot. Okay, I heard some parrot. Okay, since this place has thick vegetation and have a reservoir nearby, the Solita Reservoir, and it has nice big tall trees. So you heard that? Yeah, those are parrots. Okay, so this is a nice place for birds, a good place for birds. Those parrots that you heard just now is a common parrot in Singapore. It's called rose-necked parakeet, P-A-R-A-K-E-E-T. Rose-neck, some call it red-necked parakeet. Okay, can you see a bird nest on top of the tree? Let me zoom in for you. Okay, that is a bird nest over there. I saw it. What bird? I'm not sure. There's a bird nest over there. Okay. Alright. Okay, it's also a good idea. It is also a good idea if you have a bicycle. If you plan to shoot a video while you are cycling, you can mount your mobile phone or your camera at the handle there, like what many people do. You can record a video while you are cycling also. Okay, if you want a fast one from one end to the other end, and if you go out to the main road, to the Mandai Park connector, you can also do that. It's another suggestion. Or if you prefer to walk like me and hold the camera as you go along, it's also another alternative. Okay, but I prefer to do it this way. I prefer to walk and explore this place of nature. Okay. Okay, now I saw a squirrel over there. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, can you see it? Hello. Hi. Oh. Hey, this side, this side. Oh, it's going up. Yeah, can you see it? Okay, it's now at the back of the tree. Alright, let's go. Okay, there is also stray dogs in this area, I assume. No feeding of strays. What do you do when you see a stray dog? Now, don't try to provoke them. If you are having any food, if you are holding any food, try to hide it or put it in a bigger bag. Keep it away from monkeys and stray dogs. Okay, stray dogs won't snatch it from you. They rather wait there for you to feed them. But monkeys, they will snatch from you. So be careful when you see monkeys and stray dogs. Try not to provoke them, because if a stray dog bite you, it's going to be very painful and troublesome. Okay. Okay, I saw a stray dog, a mongrel. The actual name is actually a mongrel, a brown color. Hello. Like what they say, don't try to provoke it. Because if you feed the stray dog, so every time, let's say another person come here, another jogger or another hiker, or people come here with family, they will think that they have this thinking that these people will also feed them, and they will go to them and ask for food. Okay, just whenever you come here, just obey the rules and regulation, like what you see in this. Okay, what you see in this boat. Remember to obey the rules and regulation. Like if they say don't feed the monkeys, don't feed. If they say don't feed the stray dog, then don't feed. No plucking of any fruits, no burning of these, no setting up of campfire. When you come to a nature park, just remember to obey the rules and regulation. Now this place, where is it going to? There's a road here. Okay. Hello. Hi. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, I'm now in the middle of the park. There's another map here, and I'm now here. Just now also over here, from here, and you can still go to the Mandai Park connector. Then this is the main road, and this is the Upper Seletar Reservoir. Now, look what I found. I saw a reptile. Okay, now can you see the reptile? It's an iguana. Okay, let me zoom in for you. Can you see it's an iguana? And there's another one going together with it. Okay. Can you see clearly now? Now these are very common in Singapore. Iguana and chameleon. Hello. Alright, I saw another boat here. Okay, if you go beyond this point, it is a military protected area. It's protected by the Singapore Armed Forces. So if you see this boat, now do not go in. Just follow your track only. I heard some chicken, but there's chickens here also. It's not chicken actually, it's a rooster. So, okay, a nice place. Okay, this is one of a very nice place. a good place of nature that I've visited in Singapore. Can be compared to the previous one that you have seen in my videos. Okay, so a nice place for cycling, jogging, hiking, bringing out your children, or dog walking, or photo taking, video taking. This is a nice place. I recommend this place in Mandai. It's called Ulu Sembawang Park Connector, and it's connected to the Mandai Park Connector on the other side. You can also see the Upper Seletar Reservoir also. Okay, thank you very much for joining in my video. And I saw some bitter leaf over here. Let me show you the bitter leaf. This bitter leaf is edible. Okay, this bitter leaf is edible. Now if you see, this bitter leaf is edible. Okay, okay, spicy. It's a type of a medicine leaf. Till we meet again in my next video then. Bye bye.